In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on SLP future while talking about the smooth love mixture cost gauge for 2023, and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to think about this and some other expectation while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant undertaking, not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, profoundly unstable monetary resource like smooth love mixture. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive profound into the smooth love mixture value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that SLP is a wise venture or not, for what reason will SLP succeed or come up short, or for what reason will smooth love elixir value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what SLP is and its to-date history. SLP value expectation for the following 90 days. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its unsurpassed high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of colossal industry players, FTX, Celsius, Luna and so forth into the situation, the horizon is cloudy and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally unsafe play, and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees us some green in 2023. Particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a normal and unexpected crypto spike. Crypto Vault Group made a cost forecast model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and basic evaluation of each undertaking. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other exclusive variables created in our crypto lab. 2023-0701 plus 6.19% dollar, 0.0019. 2023-0702, 2.78% dollar, 0.0017, 2023-0703, 0.77% dollar, 0.0018, 2023-0704, plus 3.84% dollar, 0.0018, 2023-0705, plus 5.54% dollar, 0.0019. 2023-0706, plus 0.63% dollar, 0.0018, 2023-0707, 3.29% dollar, 0.0017, 2023-07 plus 3.06%, dollar 0.0018, 2023-07 to 09 3.59% dollar 0.0017 2023-07 to 10 4.31% dollar 0.0017 Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation 2023 High Expansion and Very Dangerous Full-Scale Circumstance Considered. Vigorously Bitcoin Cost in 2022. At the point when we take the interior crypto issues with enormous players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively great for the bulls. We will most likely see a great deal of exhausting sideways cost activity, with a propensity to slip lower with every minor market quake. Crypto Vault's forecast model brings market opinion into a record and responds in like manner. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a very long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023. July 14.41% dollar 0.0015, 2023 August 20.88% dollar 0.0014 2023 September 22.95% dollar 0.0014 2023 October 9.16% dollar 0.0016 2023 November plus 0.78% dollar 0.0018 2023 December plus 7.94% dollar 0.0019 2024 Jan plus 16.75% dollar 0.0021 2024 February plus 25.46% $0.0022 2024. Blemish plus 25.54% $0.0022 2024. April plus 37.47% $0.0024 2024. May plus 45.35% $0.0026 2024. June plus 54.50% $0.0027. SLP value forecast 2025. Our expectation model sees SLP coming to $0.0044 in 2025. What will SLP be worth in 5 years? The cost of SLP in 5 years could lie around $0.0042, as per Crypto Vault's expectation model. Smooth Love Mixture Value Expectation 2030-2040. What Smooth Love Elixir will be worth in 2030. Our determining model sees Smooth Love Mixture coming to $0.0110 in 2030. What Smooth Love Mixture will be worth in 2040. Our estimating model sees Smooth Love Mixture coming to $0.0220 in 2040. Will Smooth Adore Elixir supplant, outperform, overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Smooth Love Mixture won't supplant or surpass BTC. Will Smooth Adore Mixture reach 10 cents? Indeed, conceivable Smooth Love Mixture can reach 10 cents yet just in the separated future, after 2030. Could Smooth Adore Elixir reach $1? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Smooth Love Mixture to reach $1 in the short or mid-term period. Will Smooth Adore Elixir reach $10? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Smooth Love Elixir to reach $10 in the short or mid-term period. Will Smooth Adore Mixture reach $100? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Smooth Love Elixir to reach $100 in the short or mid-term period. Is Smooth Love Mixture worth purchasing? We are supporters of reasonably dangerous money management. Put the vast majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half 35% in a bin of large cap coins, and the rest in little undertakings with colossal potential gain. Thus, in this specific circumstance, Smooth Love Elixir merits purchasing. Is Smooth Love Elixir a wise speculation? Smooth Love Elixir is, very much like any remaining cryptographic forms of money, a hazardous speculation. It has higher likelihood of going up than down in light of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. What amount will Smooth Adore Elixir be worth? For the momentary future, it could reach $0.0011. In the long haul, 8 to 10 years, it could leap to $0.0110 or considerably higher. For what reason will Smooth Love Elixir succeed and get more expensive? Smooth Love Mixture has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and to that end our expectation model sees Smooth Love Mixture ascending to $0.0110 in 2030. For what reason will Smooth Love Mixture come up